Okay, I'm gonna take a second to tell you what's going on as well. It's Friday today and we are going to visit Martin's family for the weekend. And even though we live in the same country, they live quite far away. So it's a long trip to get there. It's gonna take us, I think, around 4 hours. So I thought I would take you along. In this case, I think we're going with the bus. Sometimes the bus goes on the ferry, but I'm pretty sure this time we're just going with the bus. But we're gonna cross the bridge and and go to Jylland, the other side of Denmark. So I thought I would just take you along and film that, because if you don't know much about Denmark, you might not know how spread out it is. So I thought it would be interesting. A colleague of mine just gave me a ride, so I'm really early. So we're gonna go see if I can find a coffee shop to wait for Martin, because I have about an hour and a half to wait. So either we're gonna check the mall, which is behind me, or we're gonna go get coffee. But let's see. It's also raining, but like this shitty little rain, so it's very annoying. And it's quite cold. I ended up going to the mall, but I didn't want to buy anything, so I just had a quick round, and then I went to a cafe, a really cozy cafe, and I've been editing for a bit, and now I'm just gonna slowly walk to the bus station to meet with Martin. This is the new bus terminal, so it's where we're going to take the bus, and you can see the train passing behind. That main building behind is the main central station, Copenhagen. So I'm gonna go find Martin because he's walking all the way here from his work. We found him! My main character. Hi! Hola.
Hvis man forlader bussen, så skal man være tilbage igen kl. 53.
I'm curious to see what people do. Yeah, it's really big for my massive coffees that I never finish. It's so weird with this finish because it's so smooth now.
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Look at the bank.
Yeah.
In the autumn.
Fine. Okay.
Vi skal nemlig lave
And then can we roll it on this?
honningkage.
Ja. Ja, det er fint. Og så drysser du lige lidt over det hele.
And maybe I mark it and then you cut it. So we'll do this and
Så
then...
Ida, hun markerer det lige, og så får du lov til at skære.
I mean, he's following what I'm doing, so... Okay, so first we do...
Så Ida markerer lige igen. Og så skærer du.
And then we get that out.
Så bare lige så stille. Ja.
Yeah, good. Very good, Elliot.
Rigtig.
Skal du have noget? Måske Vito skal have det gule?
Vi skal have gul. Ja. Thank you.
Ej, hvor er det fint.
Den skal ikke spises.
Jeg tror desværre ikke.
I help and then we do it again. You help.
Ja, der er mange ting.
Så ja. Sådan.
So pretty.
Ja.
Jeg har faktisk 2 julekalender nu. Så havde jeg lyst til at være den stærkeste.
I don't think you realize how close that was. The thick ones, but it's only 1 minute. In Denmark, when the kids stop using the pacifier, they hang it in a tree.
This is not a problem, but this is like the sand remains.
Yeah, but this tree used to be full. Like you can see that they chopped all the branches. Fun fact. Can you say what you just said again? about this bridge?
Then it was closed for a while because it was rotting. It is rotting, and now they put like extra supports and stuff, I guess. And reopened it.
I didn't see the black.
Yeah, I think that's. And they reopened it for a while, but like with lower capacity or something. And then they're gonna replace it at some point with a new bridge.
Yeah, it has a lot of charm.
So it's,
I'm kidding. Skål!
Skål. Wunderligt.
You look so cozy.
preparing the duck. Hvad har du der?
Water temperature will be 75 degrees. We'll check it with the thermometer. So,
How long time does it need?
2 hours, maybe 2.5, depending on how cold it is. So hopefully
It's very cold.
it will be good.
Say good night to the duck.
And the most important thing,
The red wine.
the red wine. Yeah.
Okay.
See you.
See you, duck.
See you in 2 hours.
Hvad skal vi til nu? What are we doing now?
Can you have a look at it?
I don't want to say that's the best thing you think so. Oh yeah, it's fine. And duck, sorry.
Next year to Christmas.
Do me a little, very short description of this.
Of this?
Yes.
This is a rice porridge dessert with what's it called?
Cherry.
Cherry sauce.
You can say it in Danish too.
With cherry sauce, and everyone gets a portion, and in one of the portions there's a whole almond hidden, and the one that gets the whole almond will win the present. And you should not reveal it straight away. You should hide it. And if you bit it over, then it's game over.
If you want, if you bite into it, it is.
Yeah. Then it's game over.
I didn't know you could lose this game.
Yeah.
Smart me.
Sorry.
Ud, mand!
Det er heller ikke sagt. Jeg har ikke sagt nej.
I've been enjoying it for a while now.
Oh my... Where did you hide it? Secret?
Yes. I can open it now. Oh, cute. Cute. Is that the marzipan?
Marcipan.
I know that.
You get that one. I get that one. Decoration.
Yeah, very cute. Thank you. It wasn't for me, but like it could be for anyone, but thank you. It's Monday today and we work remote from Morten's parents' place, and now it's time to go back to Copenhagen. But this time we're going with the train, so it's usually a little bit faster, but we do need to change in between. I wanted to share something that I found quite interesting, which is this point system with 7-Eleven that they have here in Denmark. First of all, there's a 7-Eleven at pretty much near every station. If you use the DSB app, which is the transport app, you accumulate points that you can exchange for food at 7-Eleven. What is it? Jylland.
Is that thing?
Yeah. Which is quite nice if you're using it regularly. Change it for the little, I don't even know how to call this.
Burek.
It had chicken and cheese inside a pastry thing. We don't use the app that often anymore because we use the bikes a lot on our day-to-day routine, but it's still nice to have some points to get free food. I forgot what I wanted to say.
I'm already filming.
I feel like I'm still too loud because no one's talking. And that's really good. But yeah, we are in... Pronounce the name?
Scannable.
We have 10 minutes till the next train. Just changing tracks now because we can actually take another train from here, from Central Station, to go home. We're finally home. We made some food and we're just gonna play a little bit before bed and relax, because luckily today it's not too late and we have a bit of time before bed. But that's gonna be it for today's vlog, so I'll see you in the next one.